So, Namaskar, dear children. As you know, we have gone through all these main points of this chapter. Your first chapter, that is food, where does it come from? So, now we shall discuss the main keywords. Actually, we have discussed earlier, but see again. फिर से हम देखेंगे कि मेन टर्म्स इनके क्या मीनिंग्स हैं और क्या इनके डेफिनेशंस हैं. ओके. So first thing given here is ingredients. As you know, we have discussed about the ingredients. What are the ingredients of different food items, food dishes, which you have seen, you have tested in your house. So ingredients का मतलब होता है घटक, components. So we can define ingredients like actually it doesn't need any specific definition. Rather, the meaning of ingredients is any components used to prepare a particular dish. Okay, so you find out, you got it. Ingredients means the components which are required to prepare a dish. Next word is edible. Edible, it is very clear. Edible means eatable. The things which can be eaten are called edible things. Okay, third one is nectar. Nectar means it is the fluid, means it is the juicy substance present in the flower. हिंदी में हम कह सकते हैं नेक्टर का मतलब होता है जो पराग, जो आप देखते हो छोटे छोटे से इंसेक्ट्स, भौरे वगैरह, ऑल दीज हनी बीज, दिस सक द नेक्टर फ्रॉम द फ्लावर्स. ओके, एंड दे प्रिपेयर दियर हनी. नेक्स्ट इज स्प्राउटेड सीड्स. Sprouted seeds means when the seeds, when they come to when they find some favorable conditions like a proper temperature and moisture. जब उनको प्रॉपर पानी और प्रॉपर टेम्परेचर मिलता है तो सीड्स क्या होते हैं, दे बिकम जर्मिनेटेड. वो जर्मिनेट हो जाते हैं, अंकुरित हो जाते हैं. उनमें वाइट थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स इमर्ज फ्रॉम दैट सीड. दीज germinated seeds are called sprouted seeds. Okay, so अंकुरित जो अनाज हैं, अंकुरित जो बीज हैं, those are called sprouted seeds. Now next one is here herbivores. This herbivores, as you know, we have discussed earlier. Herbivores are the animals which depend only on the plants for fulfilling the requirements of food. Means herbivores are the animals which eat only plant and plant parts. Next one is carnivore. Carnivores are the animals which eat flesh. Means you are very much obvious about the differences between herbivore and carnivore. herbivore जो हैं वो सिर्फ प्लांट्स ही ईट करते हैं, वो अपने फूड के रिक्वायरमेंट के लिए प्लांट पर ही निर्भर करते हैं. दे डिपेंड ओनली ऑन द प्लांट्स. बट कार्निवोर्स, दे डिपेंड ऑन द एनिमल्स फॉर रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ देयर फूड. ओके, सो कार्निवोर्स एंड हर्बीवोर्स, इन दोनों की जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स कॉमनली जो होती है, दोज एनिमल्स आर कॉल्ड ओमनीवोर्स. ओमनीवोर्स. ओके, means omnivores are the animals which eat both animals as well as plant products. Okay, we have earlier discussed about what are the animal products, what are the plant products. Here is the brief summary of lesson is given, and then come to the exercise after this. Some questions earlier I have given you as homework and classwork, and you have done it very well. So go through these simple 4 little questions given in the exercise of NCERT textbook, which might you are not having I think the textbook, but you can go through this video and PDF earlier I sent to your group. So first question is, do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food? So I think you very well know the answer of this. If you think about yourself, the animals present around you, your pet, you easily can understand that all the animals they does not take the same kind of food. So the requirement, the body structure of animals are different, their requirement are different, their food habits are different. So different animals depend on different types of food. अलग अलग जो एनिमल्स हैं वो अलग अलग तरह के फूड पर डिपेंड करते हैं, और इसी के बेसिस पर तो हमने डिफरेंट क्लासेस हमने देखी हैं कि हर्बीवोर्स जो प्लांट प्रोडक्ट्स पर डिपेंड करते हैं, जो एनिमल प्रोडक्ट पर डिपेंड करते हैं ओनली एनिमल फ्लैश पर डिपेंड करते हैं, दोज आर कॉल्ड कार्निवोर्स. ओके, सो इसका जो आंसर होगा दैट all the living beings does not need same kind of food because their body structure is different, their requirement is different, their food habits are different. So different animals, they require different types of food. I think you understood this very well. Okay, now the next chapter given here, this next question is, name 5 plants and their parts that we eat. So many plant products, any plant product you pick and write here. Suppose if plant products we discuss about the roots, plant parts, roots. So what kind of roots are edible? So carrot, radish, beetroot, that is turnip, all these are the examples of roots which are being eaten. Then stem parts are potato, ginger, onion. These vegetables in which the stem part of the plant is edible. Now yes, turmeric also. And next is come to the different part, that is leaves. Okay, so leaves, that fenugreek and spinach and cabbage